Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got Tropical Battery Company. Talk about trading in their shares and their results. Advisory that a connected party bought up 421,000 shares on February 11th of this year. Now, Carreras Limited earnings growing by 18%. Carreras, we spoke about them the last couple of quarters, really signaling that they are back, that growth mindset, the changes that they made, the branding, the top brass in terms of Mr. Glynn, the managing director, the CEO, and you're seeing it here now, 18% earnings growth for the 9 months or year-to-date period. Carreras reporting earnings per share 62.9 cents Jamaican for the period versus 53.4 cents year over year for the 9-month period comparative. Now, net profit here over 3 billion Jamaican dollars for Carreras, 3.05 billion to be exact. Revenue also grew. You like to see that, not just the bottom line, but the top line, 11.7 billion versus 10.15 billion year over year. Carreras, an income play, not just a growth play, but it's better known as an income play, but they're bringing down that price to earnings ratio on the marketplace now with these results. Cash and cash equivalents, because you want to see those dividends continue, remaining strong here. Jamaican, 1.78 billion as at December 31st last year. Now, General Accident Insurance earnings surging a nice year end, a little bit of a clinker for the fourth quarter. We talk about that, but for the overall year 2021, up 58% for Janac. Earnings per share hitting 38 cents per share versus 24 cents year over year. 2021 versus 2020 Jamaican. Now, net profit 345 million Jamaican. Nice number there for Janac. Gross premiums really gobbling up market share by General Accident. 13.9 billion versus 12 billion year over year. Fourth quarter results a bit mixed or down, registering a net loss for the fourth quarter, but year overall, as we mentioned, nice year. What happened to them in the fourth quarter? Significantly higher claims expenses and management expenses overall hurt them in the fourth quarter as compared to 2020 fourth quarter. Now, Jamaica Teas Limited trading in their shares. We've been seeing a lot of selling coming into Jamaica Teas over the past 3 to 6 months, and that continues. Advisory here that a party connected with a director of Jamaica Teas, Jam Teas, has sold some shares in the company. 150,000 shares and change sold on February 11th, 2022. Last up, Sygnus Credit Investments, SCI. Fair value of their investment in portfolio companies topping 88 million US dollars, really approaching that milestone of 100 million US very quickly here. Also, SCI has seen a significant upswing in profits overall for the second quarter as well as the 6 months period to December 31st, 2021. As we mentioned, investment in portfolio companies, 88 million US and 29 companies overall. That's up from 67 million US year over year. So if you look at that acceleration in profits, very nicely, and they had world-beating, world-class, especially for Jamaica. It's a global standard. We're seeing it with a couple other companies out there, NCB, Grace Kennedy. They had their earnings call today, 10 a.m. this morning, and it was blockbuster. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.